how to trade volatile penny stocks wisely. Get access to the most important alert newsletter. Simply as they are volatile, however, they are also rather profitable for those who manage to trade all ultra-low-cost stocks effectively. Strictly speaking, the penny market is about stocks to watch that the newbie financier, in numerous cases, can in fact afford to purchase and later profit quite well. For the sake of this message, however, penny stocks are sometimes huge business going through a downward spiral. This makes them, just like the brand new companies, somewhat volatile penny low stocks. Since a few followers from the United States and into Canada and the United Kingdom, as well as in the Australia and Norway, had asked for my knowledge on the penny market, I certainly obliged. Essentially, these tiny cent stocks to watch are those that are not exchanged on the major stock exchanges such as NYSE, Amex, or Nasdaq. The cent market can be volatile than many of the rest. Nevertheless, for excellent reason, there is extremely little ability that goes into effectively trading stocks, but a lot of luck, and it can be loads of enjoyment. It is extremely important nevertheless that you enter into penny stocks trading with the company understanding that you are likely to be effective. There are those nevertheless, who have handled to defy the odds and win quite handsomely in the game we've come to understand as penny stock trading. Penny ultra-low stocks can mean effective trading. A couple of things you will wish to bear in mind prior to you start selling and buying this volatile market consist of the following. Of all, stocks are not like regular equities where they are heavily traded and there is almost constantly somebody waiting in line to purchase. When you choose to sell, it could be a while before a buyer occurs. This suggests that penny equities are not the most liquid stocks on earth, and if you need fast access to your cash, this is definitely not the stock for you. Another thing to keep in mind when it comes to penny stocks is that there is typically extremely little info on these businesses, unless you have outstanding research abilities and the time and energy to put them to utilize for your penny market undertakings. You are really unlikely to discover much background and financial information on these companies. I mean, rather than lots of openly traded businesses that are practically needed to open their books to investors. This is dangerous to investors due to the fact that knowledge is very important and plans are plenty. Every cent you invest in these type stocks need to be a penny that you are effectively prepared to lose and perfectly pleased to earn a return with. You could strike the lottery game on your penny stock investment and earn actually 3 to 4 or more times what you invested in your stocks. Possibilities are that the opposite will hold true nevertheless and you will lose your investment. As long as you are prepared to deal with the effects and enable yourself to be happily shocked when your trades pay off, you may be the best person to do some fun trading in the penny market. When making your decisions about the types of funds, bonds, or stocks you wish to consist of in your portfolio, you might wish to include a couple of cent stocks to watch for the sake of variety, and to run the risk of a little amount of money on a long shot. When those long shots will pay off, you never understand why they did, but they just did. In a previous discussion I noted how you can learn more about penny stocks picks as a successful hobby to buy penny stocks and see the proof video presentation website we recommend you check out. Again, what are penny stocks and their low stock price? You must be conscious that these penny stocks lists are really challenging to discover if you are to locate them. It is crucial that you find out how to recognize these stocks as soon as you see them. You ought to understand how to trade volatile penny stocks wisely if you desire to invest in cent stocks. To be successful in penny stocks trading, you ought to be able to build your own list of low stock price penny market considerations. Brand new traders ought to be equipped with the right understanding so that they can successfully trade penny stocks. You must still carry out comprehensive research study to identify who developed the list or merely the source of such list. If you do find a penny stocks list online, you need to check to ensure that the list supplies only the very best penny stocks in the market. For better search results, you should seek excellent software in stock trading, or like many do, a trusted penny stocks trading newsletter, so that it will be much easier to build your penny stocks list. If you do not have stock trading software application to help you with your searches, you will certainly spend a great deal of time investigating. Try to look into the companies pointed out and see if they are trusted when you discover a helpful list of penny ultra-low-cost stocks. We recommend you check out Penny Stock Investing Trading Tips and Alerts newsletter website today. Click the link below this video in the description box.